Okay, hello all. Today I'm going to print off this cuddling owl from Moosis. It's from the website Thingiverse. It's Thing 50212. On the Thing files we have the hollow version and the fixed version. This is a watertight version of it. They say no supports needed, but I always put supports with my objects just to be on the safe side. And yeah, let's print this object out. Okay, I'm printing this cuddling owl in grey ABS plastic, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the time lapse. So if you like this build, or you're just still watching it, make sure to comment below what you want me to print out. And make sure to like this video and subscribe, and maybe give it a thumbs up if you think it's really cute. Okay, this is the finished object. I'm now just scraping off the raft. Sort of failing, but there we go, finally got it. And pinning off the raft and the support layers. On some models you might get layer separation. To get rid of this you need a heat gun, like this. Place your model on a flat surface and just heat it up evenly on a low setting. Once you've heated it up, leave it to cool down. Do not touch it, as you might cause little cracks to open up. But once completed it should look fine. You might get little streaks but no actual separation. But here's the model completed, no gaps or separation. Just remember, do not touch it while it's still warm. Just leave it cooling for 10 minutes. And there you go. I got rid of the cracks. Thanks for watching.